A flipbook is another way to use the optical illusion of running many images quickly by you to create some motion. So if you have just slight changes in each picture, and then when you run them together, you end up with the illusion of movement. So some people like to use a post-it notes, and those are nice because they're already put together, and they're very thin and you can kind of see through them. But if you get a picture that you don't like, or you decide you want to add something in to make it more clear, it becomes difficult. And also then you have to put these binder clips on there to make it really work. So what we're going to use is these index cards, and they work the same way, and then when you're all done you can clip them together. So you just start with one, and you'll want to try to keep all of your image on the bottom half. You could have it go this way, or you could have it go this way. And then for your first several cards, you'll want to redraw that image on 4 cards, so that when you're flipping, it gives your eye a chance to register everything. Alright, so I have a little rocket that I'm going to draw, and then I can basically press this down and very faintly see the image beneath it, so I can line this up. So now on this next page, I can start to make some changes. I'm going to have the rocket kind of squish down in anticipation of flying away. So as it starts to get ready to go, I'm going to have it look like someone just kind of squished it down. And this is a quality called squash and stretch that animators use all the time to make things appear more fluid and the motion to be more realistic. So I'm going to do another frame where I have it really wide. And the nice thing about this is I want to have some smoke come in, but I'm going to actually come back later and put that back in. So now I'm going to have him take off, and he's going to actually stretch thinner than, and those first 4 help you register, and then you can see that anticipation, and it flies away. Then I have lots more pages to see where that rocket goes. I can also now take them and go back in and start to add other details. So I could do some little cloud like this, and then the next one comes along